Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this Holystone drone. Let's get right into it. As you can see, this is a drone made by Holystone, and basically it's the destroyer drone. Let's start by talking about the controller. So, you can switch the controller on, like that, make that noise, right? And it's very easy, comfortable to hold, it doesn't weigh that much, and it helps instruct the drone, and it's actually really good and doesn't feel that cheap. So like on most controllers, you have the guidance and the direction controls over there. Then you also have the motor that controls how high it's going. You can make it go down and up, and those are navigation controls. That's the LED light that can show you if it's on and if it's working. So if it's like that, then it means it's working. So on the front, we have the speed button, which controls how fast the drone is going, and we also have the flip, which is the button that allows the drone to do flips. It comes in a neat presentable box, and this is the version HS210. Now let's talk about the contents of the box. So you get a cautions manual, you get the instruction manual like always. They also give contacts in case you need to get support for anything. It also comes with interchangeable blades, and it comes with a screwdriver to help you replace anything. You also get 3 batteries. This is 2 of them. One's in the room right now. And the batteries connect to the charger, which charges in the USB, and it comes in the box. Inserting the battery is very simple. All you have to do is you have to push the battery inside the compartment that's given and attach this in the given area. Once you attach it, you'll know it's on because of the green and the red light. So where the green light is flashing, that's the front part of the drone, and where the red is flashing is the back part. So this drone is not waterproof. That makes sense. I wouldn't know why you dip your drone in water, but just don't do it. Like make sure you're not flying it over a lake and it loses charge, because that wouldn't really be good for the drone. So it's 220 milliamp hours for each battery and it's 3.7 volts. The controller operates at 2.4 gigahertz, and its transmitting distance is 50 meters, which is pretty good. The charging time is very small, but then you can get more than 7 minutes of flight time, and I've seen that I've gotten more than 15 minutes of flight time as long as you don't use it too vigorously on the max speed and distance. So when on, it's kind of loud, but not that loud, as you can see, and the controller is beeping, and then once you get control of it, it kind of stops, but alerts you too, which is good. And you just have to take off and have fun with it. When flying, if it touches the ground, it can sense and then just come back up. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll make a separate video on how flying this thing. Leave any suggestions down below, and I'll leave the link to buy this in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next.